Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful friends. If you could tell by the title of this video, I am going to be doing a little pack with me for the weekend. I do quite a bit of weekend trips to visit my parents. Sometimes I go visit a friend, or I take a flight to, go visit my sisters. So I feel like I truly have become a packing expert for the weekend and fitting everything into a carry-on and just like a personal bag. So I kind of just wanted to do a little pack with me. I personally enjoy these videos, so I'll let you guys know how my packing method works and exactly what I am bringing and how I plan out my weekend stay. I admittedly am an overpacker by all means. I feel like you can never be too prepared, and I always like to have a variety of options when I'm going out. You never know what you're going to want to wear or what the weather's going to be like. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm just going to share like my essentials and how I plan everything out. One thing I do want to note right away is the first thing that I always do is wear something that I know I'm going to be wearing during that weekend or during that trip. For example, I'm actually going to San Diego for the weekend and we're staying at a resort for my dad's birthday, so I am going to be wearing these jeans that I know I'll probably maybe wear out to dinner. I'm just wearing this top that's super versatile. I can wear it with other different bottoms, and then I also make sure to wear the jewelry that I'm going to be wearing. I don't like to pack jewelry just for a weekend trip, so I make sure to wear everything that I want to. And then I'm wearing these white tie-up sandals, and then I'll probably just bring one or two more other sandals. Have my coffee, and it's time to load everything into my suitcase luggage. And what's super exciting about this trip is Sophie is actually coming along. Oh my goodness, if you guys haven't met Sophie, this is my baby, my four-legged furry baby, and it's a dog-friendly resort, so she gets to come along, which is going to be so much fun. Okay, so let me show you what I'm dealing with. I wouldn't say it's a mess, but I have everything laid out on my bed. I always do this before a trip, and I have my luggage that I cleared out. I normally always have stuff in there from previous trips. I think the last place I went to was Hawaii, and then I have my two other sandals that I'm bringing. I'm going to pack those last. I always fold everything and try to be as organized as possible. I can't necessarily say it's the same way on the way back. Okay, so the occasion is we're staying at a resort. It's not necessarily super hot outside. I feel like the weather in Orange County and San Diego is always like 70 degrees and partly cloudy, so it's always a little chilly. So for my bottoms, I decided to pack this sort of beige long skirt, and then also some khaki pants, which really need to be ironed, but I think these just pair well with everything, so bringing these. I also want to bring like a more casual lounge set if I'm just in the hotel room or if I'm lounging out by the pool. I have this waffle beige set that I got from Abercrombie. I have a lot of my stuff from them lately, but it's just really nice to have something that is easy to lounge in, that, if you just want to feel comfy. Easiest thing to pack is pajamas. So I just have my silk matching pajamas. Obviously, because we're staying at a resort, I think they have like 5 different pools, so I brought multiple bikinis, and they are all my swimwear line bikinis. So just bringing these also because sometimes I like to take like flat lay photos, or you just never know when it's going to be a really pretty scene, and I think there might be some opportunity to take photos of my swimwear just kind of like lounging out by the pool, lounging out by the beach. So I am bringing all 4 pieces in my collection. Okay, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tops that I'm bringing. I'm awful, but I just like to have my options. So this is just like a plain black bodysuit we have here. I have this top that I wore to Hawaii. It's like a bandeau top, and I think it looks really cute with these beige pants. And then I also have this top here that I actually got off Amazon, and I think it pairs really nicely with this long sleeve over here. So I don't know, I just try to make sure that all my bottoms that I'm wearing or that I'm bringing go well with all these blouses. I try not to bring any crazy prints except for this one. This one is kind of a fun top that I like to wear. We are going out to dinner. And then I always consolidate my makeup into this tiny bag. I do have more makeup, but I just pretty much much bring the essentials of what I'll be needing, and then my palette that I've obviously made good use of, and my makeup brushes. And then I always have my toiletries that I also bring, simple stuff, toothbrushes, makeup wipes, my hairbrush, and then also my Launch curling tool. So I will be bringing this. This hat, I just love to bring it with me everywhere. I've probably worn it way too many times. I actually might wear it today. I don't know, I just feel like it goes with so many different outfits. Like, it just goes with this one perfectly. So I might wear this, keeps the sun out of the face. One thing I also always make sure to bring is my laptop. I love how light and portable this is, but even though it's a weekend I'm supposed to be enjoying, you just never know when you're going to need to answer emails, and I am going to be doing some YouTube editing, so definitely going to bring this. Okay, last but not least, I am bringing some of my favorite items from Dossier. I am doing this video in partnership with Dossier. So if you haven't heard of Dossier, or if you aren't familiar with them, they are a fair alternative to luxury scents and luxury perfumes. You can actually go on their website and take a quiz and answer some questions that suit you most, that fit you most, and then they let you know which perfume from their website or from their collection would work best for you. They are paraben-free, cruelty-free, vegan, so if you all know me well, then you know that I absolutely do not purchase products that have parabens in them, that have any toxic ingredients in them. So when I learned about Dossier, I just knew that this was going to be a brand that I really wanted to work with, and products that I really wanted to try, and I'm really happy I did, because I do love the fragrances and the scents that I did pick out. If you aren't sure which fragrance to choose, they actually have fragrance-inspired scents by iconic luxury brands. So for example, there were some luxury brands that I personally knew I loved, but I just didn't want to pay over $100 for a perfume. I think that's just so expensive. So what I did was I actually picked out my 2 cents. On their cards, it tells you the notes of the fragrance and what luxury brand it's inspired by. So I thought that was super helpful, and I'm actually wearing one of their fragrances right now. I'm definitely going to be packing them and bringing them with me to San Diego. The first one that I picked out is the Floriental Vanilla, and this one is actually inspired by the Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium perfume. So essentially what that means is it just carries exactly very similar notes to the Black Opium perfume. So they send it in this beautiful bottle. Focus. So it's really pretty. It looks like luxury. It feels like luxury. And that is such a good size, and you don't even have to pay $100+ for this. I'm pretty positive a lot of the scents on their website start at just like $29, so definitely take advantage of that. So the notes in the Floriental Vanilla include mandarin, pear, pink pepper, licorice. Middle notes include jasmine, orange blossom, and the base notes are cedar wood, patchouli, vanilla, and coffee. The concentration is 15%, and it really does last all day. I wore this like the other day at work, and I noticed when I left, when I put it on, I could still smell it when I did get home at the end of the day. Okay, the next scent that I chose from Dossier is their Woody Sage, and this is what the bottle looks like up close. So that's a pretty big size, and again, they also give you this really neat card that tells you all about the perfume. This particular scent is inspired by Jo Malone, and it has an 18% concentration. The top notes are fig tree, grapefruit. The top notes are fig tree, grapefruit. The middle notes are marine notes, ambrette, and then the base notes are clary sage, and amberwood. I absolutely love the fragrances I picked out. They have scents for men and women, so if you're looking to shop for someone as a gift, again, you don't have to break the bank to get a really nice gift for someone. They have scents on their website that start at just $29, so I'll go ahead and link their website in my description below. Make sure to check them out. friends, so I am all packed. I am all ready to go and get on the road. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and until next time, I'll see you all in another video soon. Bye.